All right, so quick little quiz here. You won't need to type any code or anything. Use your brain power to evaluate this line of code. What would you see if you were to type this in the console and hit enter? So pause it if you need some time. And then here we go. Here's the answer. So this one has to do with the order of operations and just recognizing these operations in general. So the addition is not going to happen first. We'll have the multiplication and division. So we have 3 times 4, which gives us 12. We divide by 2, that gives us 6. Then we add that to 4, and we get 10. So the answer is 10 here. Next up, this one here. Mentally evaluate this. Pause if you need to. 2 other operators that we've learned. What does this come out as if you were to enter it into the console or run it in a JavaScript file? And pause it if you need to. Here's the answer. Okay. So we have modulo in parentheses that happens first. Remember, it's the remainder operator. So 13 mod 5. How many times does 5 go into 13? Well, the closest multiple is going to be 10. So the remainder, 10 and 13, the remainder is 3. So the left side is 3, and then we have star 2, which is the exponent operator. So we have 3 squared, or 3 to the second power. 3 times 3 is 9. So that's what we should end up with here. And then our final one, what does this evaluate to? 200 plus 0/0. Okay, pause if needed. Well, what happens first? Order of operations. 0 divided by 0. Well, we just saw that evaluates to NaN, or not a number. Then 200 plus not a number. Well, not a number spoils everything in math, and we end up with not a number again. So the overall answer here is not a number. Anytime you try and do any operation involving not a number, you're going to end up with not a number. All right, so very quick stuff. Now we get to move on to variables.